In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account from the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Managing your accounts in QuickBooks Online is an essential part of keeping your financial records clean and organized. Sometimes you might find that certain accounts are no longer needed, and removing them helps streamline your chart of accounts. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make an account inactive in QuickBooks Online. And if you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. The first thing you'll need to do is open QuickBooks Online. Once you're logged in, look to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll see a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up a settings menu with multiple options. From the menu that appears, find and select the option labeled Chart of Accounts. This will take you to the full list of accounts you've already set up in your QuickBooks Online account. Now, scroll through the Chart of Accounts list and locate the account you want to make inactive. Make sure you carefully identify the correct account. Double-check the account name and its detail type to ensure you're selecting the right one. This is an important step to avoid any accidental changes to an account you still need. Once you've confirmed the correct account, look to the far right side of that account's row. You'll see a small downward arrow, often called a caret icon. Click on that arrow to open a drop-down menu with more options. From the drop-down menu, select Make Inactive. QuickBooks may prompt you to confirm this action just to be sure you really want to proceed. If you see a prompt, go ahead and confirm your choice. After completing these steps, the account will no longer appear in your active account list. To verify this, you can take another look at your chart of accounts and confirm that the account you deactivated is no longer visible among the active accounts. And that's it. You've successfully made an account inactive in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.